The another most important MCQs of the ionic equilibria are discussed today. The first question: the HCl exists as in equilibrium conditions when HCl dissolves in water and it produces the corresponding ions. These ions are given as in the form of Cl minus, A option, B H3O plus, C HCl and D H3O plus Cl minus. The HCl when dissolves in water, it produces like H3O plus and Cl minus. This HCl hydrogen combines with this H2O and forms H2O plus and Cl minus to form the Cl minus. Therefore, in this question, HCl exists as H3O plus and H3O plus Cl minus. Therefore, answer is D. The next question is the autoprotolysis constant for weak acid HA is 4 into 10 raised to minus 8. Hence, the concentration of the A minus is, there are 4 options. In this case, the first solve the HA is a weak acid and dissociates into the ions H plus and A minus. Then, the concentrations of the H plus and A minus are equal in this reaction. Therefore, the concentration of H plus into the concentration of A minus equal to the 4 into 10 raised to minus 8, because there is a weak acid. Autoprotolysis constant for weak acid is 4 into 10 raised to minus 8. The A minus equals to the 2 into 10 raised to minus 8. This is solved by this concentration of the A minus substituted at the place of the H plus. It gives concentration of A minus square equal to the 4 into 10 raised to minus 8. Therefore, concentration of A equals to the square root of 4 into 10 raised to minus 8. Therefore, concentration of A minus equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 4. Therefore, from this question, the answer is option A, 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 molar. The next question is the concentration of H3O plus in 1 molar H2SO4 is. When 1 H plus ions combines with the water molecules produces H3O plus. In H2SO4 there are the 2 hydrogen atoms. They are present in the solution in the form of the 2 H plus ions. Therefore, 1 H2SO4 produces 2 H plus ions. From this sulfuric acid produces there are the 2 H plus ions. Hence, the H3O plus in 1 molar H2SO4 equal to the 2 into 1 molar equal to the 2 molar. Therefore, this concentration of H3O plus in 1 molar H2SO4 is a 2 molar. Therefore, answer is a A. If this is a dibasic acid, if there is a presence of the HCl, HNO3, HCl, these are the monobasic acids are present, then the similar concentrations of that acid must be equal to the concentration of the H3O plus. If there are the number of hydrogen atoms are increases, H plus ions are increases, then the concentrations may be increases. The next question is the blue litmus turns red in the following mixture of the acid and the base. The blue color is of the basic medium and red color for the acidic medium. If this blue litmus turns red, that is the basic condition changes to the acidic conditions. There are 4 options: 100 ml of the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar H2SO4 plus 100 ml of the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar calcium hydroxide. Second, 100 ml of the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar HCl plus 100 ml of the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar BaOH twice. See, 100 ml 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar HCl plus 10 ml 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar NaOH. And D option 100 ml of the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar HCl plus 100 ml of the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar NaOH. Using the formula N1V1 equals to the N2V2, that is the volume and the normality of the acid and the bases are compared with each other, then produces there is a formula like this. There is a N1V1 equals to the N2V2 acid and base. In this case, there are the 100 ml and this 100 ml, but their concentrations are equal 2 and 2 because the H2SO4 is a dibasic acid and calcium hydroxide when dissolves in water produces 2 OH minus ions. Therefore, acid and base are equal. Second, 100 ml of the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar HCl and 100 ml of the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar BaOH twice. This HCl is a monobasic acid and there are the dibasic base. Therefore, the one volume of the HCl combines with these two volumes of the base. Therefore, the conditions are basic. The first condition is a neutral. Then C 100 ml of the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar H2SO4 plus 10 ml of the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar NaOH. There are the concentrate this volume 100 ml and there are 100 ml of the sulfuric acid and 10 ml of the NaOH. If the concentration of the sulfuric acid is more, then some amount of the total amount of the NaOH neutralized and there is excess concentration of the sulfuric acid. Therefore, 2 volumes of the acid and 1 volume of this base. In this case, acidic medium is more, hence blue litmus turns to the red mixture, then the medium is acidic. Then last point, 100 ml and 100 ml HCl and NaOH both are monobasic. Then there is a neutrality is observed. Therefore, from the above 4 options, the C is correct because the H2SO4, their 100 ml quantity and 10 ml NaOH acidic medium is greater. Hence, blue litmus turns red in the C options. Okay. Then next question. Take these two questions for homework. The concentration of the Cl minus in a mixture of the 200 ml of the 0.01 molar HCl and 100 ml of the 0.01 molar BaCl2 each. There are the 4 options. First, calculate their molarity also by using the above questions and find out the correct answer. And second one, 100 ml of the 1 molar HCl is mixed with a 50 ml of the 2 molar HCl. Hence, concentration of the H3O plus each. These two questions are similar with each other and also this is similar to the above first question, that is the blue litmus turns to red in which medium. Use N1V1 formula, also their concentrations formula and calculate the correct answer. Thank you.